If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara Michelle. So there are two things that you desperately need when trying to achieve these hairstyles, and that's styling lotion and just water. And you're able to achieve all of these styles, and they're super simple, super easy. Let's get into it. So first things first, I'm using this rat tooth comb just to part my hair precisely to the side. Then I'm going to go in with a medium tooth comb just to comb it through and make sure it's not really tangled. We want our hair to be tangled free, okay? Then I'm using this water that I have in my little spray bottle. Water on your hair, on your lace front wig, 360 wig. It makes styling really easy and simple, and it really just makes your hair cooperate with you when your hair is wet. So I'm going to use a brush and a comb, and I'm going to alternate between both of those just to make sure my hair is kind of sleek and straight. Then I'm going to go in with this hair lotion and make sure all my flyaways are tamed. And as you can see, all my flyaways are tamed. So the next hairstyle is gonna just be a half up, half down look. So let's get into that. So now I'm literally just sectioning my hair from the front and the back. I'm gonna put my back hair in a ponytail, and I'm just gonna separate the front with two little clips so I can start this half up and half down hairstyle. It's pretty simple, and this hairstyle is kind of like 2-in-1. I can leave it as this, or I can throw it in a bun. So let's stay tuned. I just want to be clear when I say this. When using water on your lace front wig, you want to keep it away from the lining of your hair and the base of your scalp. You just want to literally spray the hair and not the roots. So if you want to keep your hair in this hairstyle, that's cool. That's up to you. I thought it was a little childish, so I'm just going to throw my front up into a nice little bun. I'm just using Gorilla Snot glue to lay my edges. If you want to use something more harder, something more long lasting, that's completely up to you. I just think this is kind of like easy to deal with, and it just always works on my lace front wigs. Now ladies, this next style is my go-to style. It's super simple, super sleek, and super grown woman. So come through. Let's see how it turns out. We got a 2-in-1. You can leave your hair down, or you can throw it up into a nice little sleek low bun. I think this is super cute, super Vicky Logan vibes come through, okay? Period. All 2019. Video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.